Today I'm going to be hydro dipping these Nike slides. What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alxr and I'm back with a brand new video. Today I'm going to be hydro dipping probably the most highly requested shoe for me to hydro dip so far. That's probably the most complicated thing I've ever said. But I'm going to be hydro dipping a pair of Nike slides using light blue and dark blue as well. Before I get into it, if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me. And if you do enjoy the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. With that being said, let's get straight to the hydro dip. Let's go. So now they're fully taped up and I've removed the factory finish, I just gotta prime them. Now they're fully primed, they're ready to be dipped. So the colours I'm going to be using are light blue and dark blue. Let's get to spraying. So this is what the design looks like for the first shoe. I actually have ran out of gloves completely, so I'm going to have to be super careful when I dip them in not to put my hand in. But the first design's ready. Now I'm going to go ahead and dip the shoes in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's see what they look like then. Whoa! Bro, this is the first time I've ever got the whole slide completely covered, the whole shoe completely covered. It looks pretty sick in my opinion as well. It's kind of looking like waves. This is the first one done. I'm going to go ahead, set it down to the side to dry, and then I'm going to respray for the second shoe. Now I'm going to go ahead and dip the second slide in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Whoa, look at the swirls, whoa, look at that swirl right there. And then you have all these swirls going all, okay, this one's super sick. I like this one a lot. So this is what the second shoe looks like. I'm going to put it to the side and spray it with acrylic varnish, and then I'm going to take the tape off and show you what they look like completely finished. So this is what they look like completely finished. I think they turn out pretty fresh in my opinion. Definitely one of the easiest hydro dips I've ever done. So if you guys are thinking about trying it out and you want to do hydro dipping yourself, definitely start off with some slides. I think I only paid £15 or £20 for these, so it's pretty cheap to do as well. And now it's summer, you want to give it a go, you're going to have some like fresh, new, unique slides to wear. As always, make sure to let me know what you think of them down in the comment section below. Would you rock them? Would you wear them? Make sure to let me know down below. Today's comment shout out goes to Kai. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me. And if you did enjoy the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. It's been your boy Alxr. Thank you for watching. I see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop. My future looks overseas. I'm on a new level. Check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can new drip. Chest like it's Nike, may I just do it.